experience. Could you share some memorable experiences behind the scenes?
At first, I was a bit nervous and not going to lie, medyo na-intimidate ako talaga kay Jisoo. Kasi ang tangka!
Tangkad eh! Jisoo, what's your height? What's your height?
Hindi ko siya matignan ng diretso, kailangan nakatingala ako.
6'2". Ikaw, Alexa, anong height mo? Without heels. 5'2".
5'2" on a good day.
On a good day.
Pero hindi, I was really excited then kasi I know how professional Korean stars are and I've never really worked with anyone na Korean star. So, the first time I met Jisoo, it was for the look test. So parang in a way, sinabak na agad kami sa trial scene without really the formal introduction. So I was a bit intimidated, pero I saw in his eyes, wow, na-open naman siya. So kinabalan ko na po yung mukha ko, kinausap ko, nakipag-eksena ako sa kanya, and nagbibigay talaga siya. Kahit feeling ko hindi niya ako naiintindihan minsan, nagbibigay talaga siya.
Mahirap yun eh, no? Yung parang, di ko alam kung maiintindihan ba ni Jisoo yung emotions na
No, not the
nice mo.
emotion, more on the Tagalog.
Yeah.
Because I feel like he's a really smart actor, so with the emotions, he could understand me right away.
Right.